Hello, today we will guide you through how to download historical data from investing.com. To begin, open your web browser and go to investing.com. Once the home page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main site where market quotes, charts, and financial news are displayed. This is where you'll be able to search for the asset you want and access its data tools. At the top of the page, click on the search bar. In this field, type the sample symbol you want to look up. This search function helps you quickly jump to a specific market, instrument, or trading pair without having to browse through menus manually. Be as accurate as possible when entering the symbol so the correct result appears. From the search results, click on BTC/USD. This will open the page for that specific asset. On this page, you'll typically see pricing information, charts, market statistics, and several navigation tabs that provide different types of information. Since our goal is to download past price data, the next section is where we'll focus. Look for the Historical Data tab and click on it. This section contains the previous market data for the selected asset organized by date. It's especially useful if you want to review price movement over time, perform analysis, or save the data for use in a spreadsheet or another tool. Once you're on the historical data page, select the sample date range. This step is important because it determines exactly which period of data will be included in your download. Choose the start and end dates that match your needs. If you're doing research or comparing trends, it can help to double-check the range before moving on so you don't have to repeat the download later. After setting the date range, confirm that everything looks correct. Make sure you're still on the BTC/USD historical data page and that the selected dates reflect the time frame you want. Taking a quick moment to review the settings can save time and prevent downloading the wrong file. When you're ready, click on Download. Investing.com will then generate and download the historical data file for the selected date range. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically, or you may be prompted to choose where to save it. After the file is downloaded, you can open it and begin reviewing the data. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded historical data from investing.com.